Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Tony from Indiana, and today, y'all, I'm going to be doing a review on an app called the Social Cash app. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm just going to be breaking down this app. I'm going to give you both the pros and I'm going to give you both the cons of it. And then at the end of it all, you can kind of decide if it's something that you want to do. Now, guys, with this app, they claim that you can make at least $500 a day simply by typing in and manipulating the Google algorithm. Now, what I want to do is I want to walk you through this app, and I'm going to just again give you the good and the bad of this app. Now, before I get started, if you're looking to make at least $10,000 a month from home, what I would like for you to do is check out my #1 recommendation in the description below. Okay, guys, let's go and just get back to the review. According to the pitch by Ava Moore, the app used a secret glitch to exploit the Google algorithm. Now, you can set it up on your phone, and it can run quietly in the background and supposedly generating you about $500 a day while you do nothing. Now, she claims that you need zero experience, zero effort. She even show you a fake balance on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all, let's just get real. There is no hidden flaws in the Google algorithm. I mean, just think about it, y'all. If this was possible, it wouldn't just be handed out to a bunch of strangers for a small maintenance fee. And of course, you can see the maintenance fee is only $9.95. You clearly can see that this does not make any common sense. If you look at the testimonials, they look like to me it's AI generated or it's just a paid actor, reading a script. Now, here's another red flag that has a countdown timer, and they use these scarcity tactics. So, for example, they claim to have only 50 spots available. Go figure. And 28 have already been taken. If you don't join right now, the opportunity will vanish forever. Can you believe that? They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. But good luck trying to get your money back. You know what I'm saying? Because they're going to have it set up in such a way where you can't get a hold of anybody. Nobody respond to your text. Nobody respond to your email. And they know eventually you'll just give up. So in other words, y'all, if it sounds too good to be true, chances are it is. Now think about it like this. A real business opportunity takes time, learning, and actual work. There is no secret around that. If you want to build something real online, there are much safer and legitimate ways to do it. That's why if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, you should check out my #1 recommendation. I have provided the link in the description to the best business you can start online, which has made me over $20,000 in my first 120 days. So hopefully this information has been helpful, guys. This is my review on the Social Cash app. In my opinion, I think it's totally a thumb down, but you make your own decision. Guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.